All right, so I want to review the Meross garage door opener. It's a smart garage door opener so that you can do things like, Alexa, open the garage. This, honestly, I don't know how we've lived without this. This thing has been the best thing. Leaving the house, because we have Alexa's inside, we can open the garage, we can shut the garage anywhere. We can even open and shut it from anywhere in the world as long as we have an internet connection. So that way, if we're like, oh, did we forget to shut the garage? No, we just shut it, make sure it's shut. And it's really simple to install. If you come over here, you have, by the way, I've already done a review on this, and this is more of a long-term review to let you know that it still works, it's still great, and definitely something I still highly recommend. You have your plug up there, and it just plugs into your garage and your garage door opener like that, and then you plug it in, and then it has a sensor. If you come this way, there's a sensor that you run all the way around over to here. You just put it like on an adhesive, and it's basically a magnet. So the other side is a magnet on the garage, and so that's how it knows if it's closed or open already. So this is man, it's been a great thing. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.